USCIS just released its Q2 fiscal year 2025 data, and it shows fewer cases being processed, a record-breaking backlog, and rising delays. But if you're planning for an employment-based green card like the EB1A, there are also a few important numbers that you should know apart from these, because not everything is really slowing down. Hi, I'm Saiman Shetty, the founder of Smart Green Card, and here we have helped over 200 individuals build a strong profile for the EB1A, the NIW, and the O1A visas. And this channel is here to share green card strategies that work and immigration updates that you should know to navigate the whole process. Let's break down the key takeaways from the new data and what it really means for your green card journey. First of all, the big picture. USCIS is processing fewer applications than before. Compared to the same time last year, these completions dropped by 18%. Compared to just last quarter, the drop was 12%. Now, because of that, the number of pending cases has now crossed 11.3 million, the highest backlog ever recorded. And remember, this data is from before USCIS lost several thousand employees in early May. Next, let's talk about some major delays happening right now with immigration applications. And we get all this data from our network of highly skilled attorneys that we work with on a daily basis. So this is pretty trustable and reliable data apart from what USCIS publishes as well. First up, green card replacements. That's the Form I-90. What used to take less than a month now takes over 8 months. That's a 938% increase in wait time. Work permits also, that's Form I-765, and you might have filed quite a bit of those for your EADs, are also badly delayed with an 87% jump in pending first-time applications. Over 2 million total stuck in the system, including renewals. That is a 181% increase in delays beyond the normal processing times. And now finally, a bit of good news. The Form I-129, which is used for temporary work visas, that backlog has actually dropped by 75%. So that category is finally moving faster, which is comforting news. All right, let's now zoom into the I-140 application trends, especially around the EB1A and the NIW, since those are the ones that matter the most to our smart immigrant community. So overall, USCIS received about 57,000 to 58,000 I-140 applications this quarter. That's pretty much the same as last quarter, but the number of cases that they processed actually went up from 37,500 to over 41,000. That's a positive sign, really. Now, let's look at the EB1A specifically. The approval rate is holding steady at 72.73% per USCIS reports, and that's still pretty strong and stable, which means majority of the applications that get filed actually get approved. And the number of applications received, well, that's 7,262. Again, about the same as last quarter. Moving on to NIW, the approval rate here actually went up from 63% to 67%, which is great to see. And applications received were about 17,500, just a little over than last quarter, but nothing major there. So what's the key takeaway here? Even though the overall immigration system is slowing down, employment-based green cards like the EB1A and the NIW, especially focused on high-skilled immigration, are still moving. And the approval rates look solid, especially for EB1A compared to most other high-skilled or non-skilled immigration paths as well. And what does this really mean for you? Well, if you're working towards an EB1A or NIW, especially as a student or skilled professional, now is the time to start building your profile. We help you do that here at Smart Green Card step by step. And if you're feeling lost with the EB1A journey, our introductory EB1A course, which is available at a steep discount just for $47, is built for people just like you. There's no PhD required, no patents required. You'll get 18 clear, no jargon video lessons, real success stories that you can see, and proven strategies to avoid RFEs and denials. So if you're looking for a step-by-step guide to start your EB1A journey with confidence, this is it. Click the link in the description to get instant access quickly, and time is limited for this, so act quickly. So like, share, and subscribe if this was helpful, and check out our Smart Green Card introductory course to start your EB1A journey. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next one. Smart Green Card is your roadmap to EB1A success.